Okay, example number 2. It says simplify, meaning they just want us to reduce it, SK. What was step 1? What did we do in that last one?
Factor.
All right, let's factor. Step number 1, factor. We start off with x squared minus 9 over 2x plus 1 times 3 plus x, right? Okay. Is there anything on the top that I can factor, SK? X squared minus 9. SK says no, but I'm wondering. What do you think, Dylan? What is the top?
Square because
Go back to that list. Remember that list? Can I take anything out? No. Count the terms. How many are there? 2. Look for the, James? The difference of 2 squares, and that's what this is. Okay? So, what do I get on top then, James? X minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay, now the top is factored. What about the bottom? Can I factor the bottom? Is there anything on the bottom that I can break down? There's not. But one of them's not written correctly. How should I write the next one?
X plus 3.
As x plus 3. Okay? All right, now I've factored everything. That's the first step. What's the second step? State the restrictions. All right, there we go. State the restrictions. How can I find out what the restrictions are for this thing? Cecilia, what can I do here? I don't want the bottom to equal 0, right? And I've got 2 things that are being multiplied together. So if either one of them equals 0, then the whole thing on the bottom will equal 0, right? So that means that 2x plus 1 cannot equal 0. You agree?
Yeah, I thought it would be like x plus 3 cannot equal 0.
Well, we're going to get to that. X plus 3 cannot equal 0 either. Neither. Okay? So now I'm going to subtract 1. I'm going to find out this one. Subtract 1 from both sides. That means that 2x cannot equal negative 1. And then I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. And x cannot equal negative 1/2. Because if it does, then this equals 0 and the whole denominator equals 0. What do I do for the other one? Dylan?
subtract 3.
Subtract 3 on both sides, and x cannot equal negative 3, right? So the restrictions are, let me see, x cannot equal negative 3, I usually write the smallest one first, and negative 1/2, because that would make the thing undefined. Okay? Yeah, Dylan.
Instead of writing it like that in our answer, can we just do 2 different ones of x?
You should combine them, because you may find yourself writing in lots of different places. So put them together so we can see. Okay? What's the third thing that I did, partner?
Simplify.
Okay, or cancel, right? Let me rewrite this so I have it. Okay, so it was x minus 3 times x plus 3 over 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. Okay? Parker, what do I want to cancel?
X plus 3.
X plus 3. And that's going to leave me with my reduced fraction, Clay, right? My answer, x minus 3 over 2x plus 1. That's it. I've just reduced it. Now, Parker J., let me ask you this. Can I cancel these 2 x's? No. Because these terms are being added and subtracted to other terms, not multiplied, right? So I have to leave it. I can't do anything else. I can't cancel anymore. Okay? That's my answer. With the restrictions. Okay? Yeah, Clay, quickly.
Okay, so when finding the restrictions,
Yeah.
you just use the denominator problem?
Just the denominator. I don't care if the numerator is 0. It can be 0. It's the denominator that can't be 0.
Okay.
All right, good job. Let's look at the next one.